You are a part of Open Finance Network, you are a part of Finance Data Exchange and the board of Finance Data Exchange. How are the ecosystems working with the government and the banks to do this?
So if by ecosystems you mean industry consortia, as I said earlier, they play a crucial role. You can't do this in a way that's entirely led by regulators in the same way that you can't do it in a way that's entirely market driven. The two forces have to work together. I think the place that understood this best and earliest was the UK. Although a lot of folks like to paint the UK as being heavily regulatory driven, and it is true, they were prescriptive in certain areas, and ultimately the move towards open banking was begun through a regulatory mandate, what was known as the order, or the CMA order. The misunderstanding was that the organization formed to implement open banking, the OBIE, now called Open Banking Limited, was private. It was not a government agency. It was a private agency, purpose built to implement open banking with representatives from the CMA 9, the 9 largest banks in the UK, as well as a board seat held by a regulator. But the organization itself was a market-driven organization that was trying to achieve a regulatory goal. That was a very successful model. It essentially had the regulator playing the role of setting the goals and the guardrails, so essentially the rules of the game, and then said to the market, okay, these are the rules, now you guys get together and find a way to play within these rules.